My cousin Bajan is tasting, what's that?
Shrimp soup.
Tak patwa. They are Jamaica.
Why are you videotaping?
Because
shrimp
I
soup,
can.
man, I drink here.
Alright.
Oh my goodness, fine.
Yeah.
I did not see that. Looks like lava. Looks like Nasheka. It looks like lava. You see the redness? It looks like lava.
That's the best kind of pots to cook in.
Drop your camera in there. It's on fire.
No, I'm not gonna do all that.
Traveling can shrimp is $2,000 a pound.
I'll pass. Oh yeah, seafood is always expensive. No.
Oh, you recording me? Oh. Staying up with
What area is this called, Uncle?
This is Island Bamboo now we just come to.
Okay.
This is not St Thomas.
Okay.
Nadik.
Tired. Long day.
Long day.
You want chicken, Bobo? You want stew chicken? You want chicken to eat?
What else I have here?
Fried chicken. You want stew chicken? Rice and peas.
You want something?
Shrimp, yeah.